So now I have opened up the project, and in Unity, when you open a new project, so you get this default window. So in case if you don't get it, you can come over here into layout and click on reset all layouts. So you'll get this default window. Okay. So in this window, we have many components over here, and let's see them. So in Unity, you have the hierarchy window to organize all your game objects, and you have an inspector window to modify their properties, a project window for assets, and also you have a dedicated scene view and game view for previewing your projects. Now let's go to the Godot and see what we get there by default. Now I have gone ahead and created a blank project in Godot, and this is the default view that you get. Okay, so in Godot, instead of hierarchy, you have a scene tree which organizes the nodes in a nested structure. We still get the inspector, which displays the property of any selected node that we have here. And instead of the project window, Godot has a built-in file system to manage assets. The layout overall is more compact, and all essential tools like scripting, animations, and other stuffs are available within the same editor. Okay, so while the workflow is different, the fundamental tools are similar. You just need to adjust to Godot's more integrated approach.